So I installed this under desk wire organizer. I plan to put my router and everything in here, and you can see why. Everything's a mess. You can mount it to a wall, as I did with wall anchors. It also has these clamps and this protective little wooden piece to clamp it to if you wanted to go that route. So I'm just showing you it before, and then I have the router all going into that closet. And now I'm going to switch everything around, put it up there, and show you how it cleaned up my office space. So here's a little after of having the cord organizer. Of course, now I just need to go through and route all these cables to make it look real good. But I got everything off the floor, should keep it a lot cleaner as well. I'm going to move some more stuff over here, have plenty of room, and then route the cords down through these little hooks as well. I'm just in the middle of work, so don't want to change the cords up and unplug my laptop and everything else. My desktop. But yeah, overall, great product. Really works. Very functional. You can mount it on a desk or to a wall, such as this. Very easy to assemble and install. Came with extra hardware, which is always nice. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision. And this product cleans up your workspace.